Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not doing any makeup. You see my face is already done. So today I'm actually having a new tutorial. What is it, you might ask? Well, I have a tooth whitening kit. That's what's up. That's what we're doing today, a teeth whitening kit. Make sure you guys follow her. She's a very, very, very cool person. she's located in Massachusetts. Make sure you guys check her out. She also has other stuff like grills. She also has different types of toothpaste, lip balm, and other stuff I can't think of right now. But today I have the luxury to try out this kit. I've never tried a teeth whitening kit my whole life. Overall, I am a weed smoker, of course, and I do drink coffee, so my teeth are not perfect. They're not white, as you can see. We're gonna see what is this box all about. So once you open it up, it looks like this. Boom. You got this little light thingy, this mouth guard where you put the little whitening gel thing. It comes with 3, I guess. Alright, with my fucking fake ass name in front of me, take it out. Having technical difficulties. Oh, fuck me. Alright. Boom. So we're gonna take this light out first. Bam. Let's fix the batteries real quick. Make sure the light turns on. Cool. It comes with a little plastic so the batteries won't even turn on. Has this package on the way too. It got to me pretty fast, guys, so just know it works. Alright, here's the mouth guard. Let me go wash that. Nobody want Corona. When you open the bottom, it comes with a little manual and directions how to use this. Also comes with a tooth whitening shape guide. That's pretty cool. And it also comes with a few tips so I guess is a bonus in the bottom. There's 4 whitening tubes. And also in the back of the manual, week 1, we're starting off today. My shade right now, I will give it, I know it's not white, so I think it's an 8, between a 7 or an 8. I think I range there. I got my cute little pen or whatever. So I'll put today's date, and then I'll put shade between 7 and 8. Number 1, remove the cap on gel syringe with one hand and replace it with the syringe tip inside the package. So we're gonna take one of these little tips or whatever. Look at me thinking I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna go with the bonus one because it's all pink and cute, and why not, right? So I'm gonna unscrew the top. I don't smell anything, so that's good. And then I'm gonna screw this little tip that it says to put on. Comes with a little cover piece too, just like that. Your white smile. Number 2, direction number 2. Place a small drop of gel on each. If these fucking fireworks don't fucking stop, I'm gonna shoot it right up their ass. Anyways, application. Place a small drop of gel on each tooth impression on the upper and lower mouth tray. Important, do not overload, less is best. Okay, so we're gonna do it on the upper and lower part. So we're gonna take this thing that I just washed or whatever. Oh, it even says the name. It says lower and then it says upper up here. When you get it, you'll see. Oh. Oh my god, this is so weird. I don't know what. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, boom. I think I got it. To the bottom. Yeah, get it there. Do I put like the whole thing? See, now that. Well, it says small, so it don't say the whole thing. I'll clarify. I should ask. That's my own fault. That's cool. Unless I'm retarded. But you know, number 3, take out the batteries, plastic protector, and the manipulate. Okay, we already did that. I'm not gonna be talking to you guys for like 30 to 45 minutes. Let me just read number 4. Move. After, I'm going to remove and rinse with lukewarm water. Clean whitening tray with cold water, toothpaste, or toothbrush only. If old whitening gel is difficult to remove, use cotton ear swab to help remove the gel. Then throughout, rinse with cold water and dry. Alright, here goes nothing. See you guys in like 30 to 45 minutes. Ah, I got your top in there. I felt that shit the whole time. I felt the burn off that. Okay, I think it made a difference. This shit look white, kind of. Before I started doing this, it was a 7 and 8. I think it looked like a 6 already. 6 and a 5. That's crazy. It looks like I got 4 weeks to go. I already see some differences. Like the hell? I think it's already turning into a 6 and a 5 shade already. It started off 7, 8, and now it's a 5, 6, and that's just today. Okay, I fucked up. Don't do what I did, guys. As I'm reading the directions, you literally supposed to put a drop, because I guess that tube is supposed to last you for the whole week. Well, I'm dumb. Don't be like me. Just use a drop. I'm gonna hit her up and let her know that I fucked up. But oopsies. Anybody else can make this mistake. So remember, one tube lasts you a week, and then you'll see your results in week 4. I'm gonna message her and let her know I fucked up, but that's okay. That's why we're here. We experience with me. Don't do what I did, you know. That's why this tutorial is made. Hopefully you like it. Make sure you guys follow her and check out what else she has. So far, I really like it. I already have the toothpaste. I've used it, but I've finished and I haven't used it in quite some time. I would say like 2 months break, and as soon as I used the toothpaste, it worked instantly. So I had no doubts that this was gonna work, and I am impressed by the results. Yes, I put too much. That tube should have lasted me a week. I mean, there's some left. I didn't use the whole thing, but I used too much. Don't be like me. Read the directions. Clearly, I didn't read it too good, because I was trying to show y'all and shit. So make sure you guys follow her, subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials about teeth whitening. Check out my process, how my teeth whitening experience is. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and make sure you guys subscribe right now down below.